I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select Newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select FluentCRM for action. Click Connect to FluentCRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Go to FluentCRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.